everyone, I'm Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing great. So I'm in the process of giving makeover to my tea, coffee / snack station. And as the festive season has already begun, I've added little bit of festive colors in the makeover. So let's get started. This is the before footage of makeover. So the first DIY is no stitch microwave cover. For this you need a pair of scissors, hem tape and measuring tape. I am cutting this old white bed cover according to the size of my microwave. Now I will use this hem tape to hem the edges of this cover. Flatten the cloth, cut a piece of tape and place it in the seam. Damp the cloth surface. Then leave the iron on it for about 10 seconds, moving the iron back and forth. By doing this, 2 layers of cloth will be glued together. It's time for painting the cloth. I am using this bright orange acrylic color. I will use this plastic fish stamp. We'll be making outline of the fish with this. I will also fill in the orange color inside and do some corrections where it is needed. Making waves with this blue color. After that I will make eye of fish with blue color. Now to give this cover festive look, I will outline the fish with golden color. We'll also do the border of cover with the same color. And this is how it looks after completion. Next DIY is this handmade painting. I made this during lockdown period. You can check out my Instagram page for more illustrative painting ideas. I will frame this painting in old frame. It's a painting of a girl enjoying her coffee on seaside, and I think it's the apt painting for the coffee or tea station. Let's start placing things. Since there are 2 electric points, one will be used for coffee machine and another will be for microwave, as microwave cannot be placed anywhere else. Many people use electric kettle for hot water but we do that thing in microwave. Placing this tea kettle with artificial plant. Keeping these wooden coasters to make it handy while using. This is a wall shelf. Since this is a rented home, I can't drill hole in these tiles. I will use this upside down. You can use teacup stand also. If you are wondering where is coffee, then there is one tip for you all. I keep my filter coffee powder in fridge to retain its freshness and taste. You can also keep tea bags in fridge for same purpose, or you can take out the tea bags for a week's use. I have this beautiful golden wood bottle. I'll be keeping the tea bags in this. Placing some munchies for tea coffee. Decorating the space with this real money plant. And this beautiful kitchen towel stand. It's time for final reveal.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising.
I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.